Hey guys, we are outside of Walgreens. It is New Year's Day, January 1st. We're going to see if there's any more clearance in here of seasonal clearance, Christmas stuff, holiday stuff. Let's go inside and see what's cooking. See you on the inside. So here I am inside the store. It's still 50% off right now. And if you buy 4, you get the 5th item for free. So that's awesome. I have about 10 minutes to spare here. I need to go pick up my son. So I'm waiting and I figured, hey, why not check the clearance aisle? It is New Year's Day, January 1st, 2021. It's a new year. Let's see what's going on in this store and see if we can actually start the year off and make some money today. So looking for something specifically to flip. This is tissue paper. I bought it the last time. I was thinking about buying it again. I use it to pack shoes. Sometimes we need just to freshen up the shoes. Guys, please smack the like button if you're liking this kind of content and consider subscribing. We'd be so honored to have you join our journey here on the WeCoach channel. We're all about helping resellers either getting started in reselling or part-time gig just to make some extra cash. Great thing. So there's still some great things in here, but nothing's really fancying my eye here just yet, but there's still some great things in here. Here's some pet treats. There was a lot more the last time I was in this store. And I have 3 Walgreens really close to one another. My son works in all 3, but he's in a different store. I didn't want to go stalking him when he's working. But here's some wrapping paper, all stuff that you'll need in 11 months from now anyway. So here's some more tissue paper, but colored ones. The white one is what I'd use. This items here, there's some toys left. Good prices because all half off. And again, the 5th one is for free. So not too bad. You can see I did wind up scanning some of this stuff because I'm specifically looking for items to flip for a profit. I'm not looking, I don't need any gifts. There's the SKU on that one. These are some nice toys, OMG toys and games and makeup kits. This one, both of those, I scanned them. Like I said, you can make some money. It just wasn't in my parameters. You can make probably $5-6 on it. And with retail arbitrage, really, it's really tough to double your money or come even close to that at times. Really 30-40% margins. You just got to make sure it's going to sell fast. So here's a nice cookie and dough, a wooden cookie and dough play set. Really nice. This one I was considering. So this one had a little more juice in it. Here's some pops. I don't know much about these things, but boy, I scanned these. This you can make, and these are only $5.50 right now. So really good deal, only $5.50. This one's 20 Avengers game is only $10 right now. So if you're looking for birthday presents, gifts, great. There's still some toys in here. It has really nothing to do with Christmas, but all half off right now. So a great time to pick this kind of stuff up. There's a SKU on those pops, but there's different models there. And again, I only have like about 10 minutes to spare. Some more toys down below. Not enough margins for me, but you know, $7, that's original price, so it's only $3.50. There's a SKU there. So put it in the comments if you have these items or still a good selection like this in your Walgreens. I'm really curious to know across the country. It's one of those pop-up games. I used to like that when I was a kid. But you know, so look, $3.50 for that right now. So good deal, and one's free. So don't forget that. So this really caught my eye. Joel Osteen, really good, inspirational speaker, but also a religious leader. 52 weekly sermons. It's electronic. It's quite pricey when I first looked at it, but this is scanning $39 on Amazon, and I'm approved to sell this, as you can see here. And it's really low sales ranks, only 4,200 in sales rank, 3,107 in my pocket, and this is only going to cost me because I'm getting one free. Really, it's half off, so it's $20. But look at the comps on eBay. This is eBay, $69.95, $47, $39.99, and there's exactly 5 left on the shelf. So I grabbed all of these. Look at this, $56, $50, $49.99. These are all sold comps, 54. And after fees and all, after the getting one free, this is only $16 each for me. So those I wound up grabbing all 5 of those. These, if you need lights, good. Walmart had so much of that kind of stuff. I was tempted because I could have made some money on that stuff, but you'll have to sit on it for 10, 11 months before selling it. And I was so tempted, to pick that kind of stuff up. But we're just so jammed here. We're looking for a warehouse/store. Look at these toys here. These big stuffed T-Rexes, only $10 right now. Good deal. Not a flip for me, but good deal if you need some toys, some Spider-Man toys. I'm looking at those pops and more stuffed animals. Guys, if you like this kind of thing, please smash the like button and consider subscribing. We have so much good content coming up. We're here to help you out, the WeCoach channel. We're here to show you where you could either make some money or save some money. 2020 was a tough year. Here's some Star Wars clapper. Only $15 now. 2020 was a tough year for everybody. And, there was a lot of opportunities there too. And online selling is a great way either to supplement your existing income or for a full-time gig. So it's a great way to make some extra money. And you don't need to we buy pallets and all this stuff. You don't need to buy all that. You can go right to your local Walgreens and make some serious money. You can make, I could have went to each Walgreens, and like I said, there's 3 of them really close. And I'm sure there's other items that I could have found in here and flipped. Look at this. This is a nice little gift kit. But, again, I'm lacking time today. But, you could just roll through these. And once you know the items that are really good sellers, like if I found any more Joel Osteens, I would certainly grab them all in all the local Walgreens. Here's some slippers, only $6.50 now. Really good deals if you need slippers. Probably could flip those. I looked at these the last time. There wasn't enough juice on it. But again, it's totes. It's good name brand. It's brand new. And, you can't go wrong with brand new stuff. This is not pallets. It's not returns. In fact, if it doesn't sell, you could return this back to Walgreens. Here's some nice throw blankets. Only $10, guys, right now. $10. So not everything is flippable. These I was really considering. These are LED light up, like relaxing water fountains. They're $12.99, so $6.50. They're not like a name brand, so they're pretty nice. I know I could sell those for a profit. I'm not looking, and there's like a big quantity of these. Here's the SKU on it. Definitely, I'm confident you could sell these for $25, probably even $30. I didn't look it up because again, I was running out of time, but definitely confident you could definitely flip these. Here's some Disney stuff too. So it's not just all generic stuff. It's Disney, Hallmark. These are collectibles. Disney stuff is just not going away anytime soon. That's for sure. So $8.99. So that's what, $4.50 each. Really great stuff still left in the Walgreens. So please put it down in the comments if you have this kind of stuff or this kind of quantity of stuff still left. Look at these nice ornaments. But again, I'm not looking to, and I did scan these too. You can make some money, but it's going to sit. It's not going to sell. Christmas stuff, sometimes there's people that are obsessed with Christmas stuff and they'll buy it 12 months out of the year. But I'm not going to sit on this stuff. It'll be a slow mover. Look at some Harry Potter ones as well. It's definitely a great exclusive at Walgreens too. So it's something for a Harry Potter fan. You can't find it anywhere else but Walgreens. So check out your Walgreens now, guys. There's some great stuff still left on the shelves at deep discounts. Buy 4, get 1 free, remember. So make sure you try to get 4. Hey guys, so let's go over the numbers. I did wind up buying all 5 of these. I have them over here. a whole bag of them. These are going to sell very fast because the ranking in Amazon, as I showed you in the video, is very low. So these will sell very fast on Amazon. I'm confident they'll sell really fast on eBay too. I think I'm just going to list them on Amazon. Fulfillment by merchant, which means I will ship these myself. Very easy to ship, and the way that works is Amazon will give us the label basically to ship this out. It's just as simple as eBay or Poshmark, really. So super simple. Put this in a box, ship it out. This will sell very fast, like I said, because of the ranking on the sales ranking is very important. I'll do a separate video on Amazon, but knowing the sales rank, and really until you have an account opened, you really can't use the app to see all the information that you need to see. So the first step is to open up an Amazon account, but you could list this on eBay. Actually, probably could get more money on eBay, quite frankly. So maybe I'll put, I mean, there's only 5. Maybe I'll put 2 of them or so on eBay and the rest on Amazon, but I'm really inclined to probably list them all just so, because I want to flip the money very fast. And that's how you make money in any business, is when you can move that money and turn it fast. You know, here I spent $85. I want to get that $85 back as fast as possible. And Amazon's definitely the way to get it back as fast as possible. By far, we sell very fast there. eBay, definitely a strong number 2. And even Macari, sometimes we sell within minutes. That's the one that really surprises me the most. But I'm not going to cross-post this. Probably just gonna, in lieu of speed and anything else and effort, our home is packed with inventory. We just got 4 pallets in this week, so really just need to. I just did this as a test. Really, I'm not looking for inventory. So we will sell these on Amazon for $38.83. Our net in our pocket, as I showed you on the screen, is $30.94. Times 5 of them is $154.70 gross profit before cost of goods. And then if we subtract out the cost of goods and factoring in the one that we got for free, basically we're getting them for $16 each. So the net profit each, if you want to look at it, each is $14.94. So we will sell these, like I said, fast. We'll make a gross, a net profit of $74.70. So not too bad for literally, I was in that store no more than 10 minutes. This will be super fast and easy for me to list. I will scan this with my app, click add the quantity that I'm selling them, fulfillment by merchant. And probably that's the way I'll go, like I said, just on Amazon, and boom, these will sell in the next week or so, and off we go. You know, they're all brand new, and that's what's great about retail arbitrage, which is where we buy it in a store at discount, maybe a clearance section. We do Walmart videos here on the WeCoach channel. This is Walgreens that we got it from, but it's brand new. And the other advantage is, here I have my receipt. Let's just say, and I know I hear this from a lot of people, like, I don't want to buy something and then it doesn't sell, and then I'm sitting on this. Well, if this really doesn't sell, I'm confident this will sell fast. But let's just say I bought something and it's not going to sell. It doesn't sell fast enough, and I'm getting cold feet. I could literally return this to Walgreens. No harm done. I have my receipt. I'm a paying customer. I can return this to Walgreens, and they'll gladly give me my money back. So there's really no risk. So like if you want, when you buy pallets and return pallets, which what we do, there's risk. You don't know what you're going to get sometimes, and the pallet could have some damaged items on this. These are new. If there's a problem, if it doesn't sell, I can literally return this. So name one business out there where you literally can get product, you have to pay for it, sell it, and if it doesn't sell, you can get your capital back, your investment back if it doesn't sell. Can't do that with any other business. This you can. So there's really no excuse. It's January 1st. It's time that you take this into high gear. Go down to your Walgreens. Tell me in the comments down below if you can find this item. But there's other items. We could have made money with those pops. We could have made money with other items in that aisle. And that's just Walgreens. You know, I could have went to Target, I could have went to Walmart, and we do. And again, I'm not aggressive. I'm just trying to show you that this is easy. You don't need to buy a course. You don't need to invest any more time trying to learn how to do this. It's really that simple. It's work, it's time, and I know there's going to be comments where, you know, there's my gas to drive to the store, my time, and all that stuff. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Just do it. There's money to be made here. You can check the comps right in the store, so you can be pretty confident. You can see with Amazon, you can see that this is going to sell fast because it has a very low sales rank. And the lower the number, the better. So there is no more excuses. It's 2021. It's time that you try this as well. Really appreciate you guys watching the WeCoach channel. Appreciate you being here in such the infancy stages of this channel. It is here to help people. That's what we're here for. If you have any questions, my email's down below. And of course, you can drop a comment in the comments and I will respond to each and every one of you. Really appreciate you smacking that like button. It helps out the channel, and clicking the follow button, guys, because we want you along with us. We got a lot of stuff planned for 2021. We're going to be opening a store soon. We're going to be opening up a wholesale division of our store as well, and a lot of other exciting things to come. You'll see. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one. And as I always say, live each breath with passion. Go forward today and make today the best day of your life. And when you do that every day, you're going to have an amazing, amazing life. I'll see you on the next one.